Good day, Divergence traders. How are we all doing today? Hope everybody's well and trading is good. Okay, it is Thursday, July 13th. Oh, missing Friday the 13th by one one day, but another one will happen. Jason knows. Jason lives. Friday the 13th. Yeah. My name's Jason, by the way. Okay. Let's take a look here now. So right here we had the 8 o'clock, 8:30 news spike. Whatever it was. ICP, UCP, ICs, whatever. Anyway. Sorry, I was trying to be funny and I messed that up. I'm sorry. Okay, let me show you this divergence, okay? I'm going to try and just show the divergence today and get through it quickly. So then you guys can do whatever. I know I said that yesterday too. I made my longest video, I think. I'm so sorry. But at least I have good shit, man. I have good shit to tell you. Okay? It's good shit. And also, there's a high risk of trading. Only speculate with money that you can afford to lose. You know what I mean? I am not giving any trading advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a divergence trader showing you chart patterns on the chart. So, if you would have got long right here on the opening of this candle right here where the arrow is, okay, your stop would have been down here at the bottom of the wick. 30 points stop. Okay, and it went up and up and up and up. And it's going back up right now. And it went up 60 points, which would have gave you 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. All right, so that is the NASDAQ. Oh, no, it's not the NASDAQ. I'm sorry. There's another trade here. Jason, don't miss this very important trade. You don't want to do that. Yeah, you can draw it to this little wick here. See that? Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, man. Hidden divergence. Right there. We put in an arrow in there. An arrowhead. Right there. If you would have bought it right there, I know it's far from buying it down here. 30 pip stop. Well, you got 20 so far. It'll hit 30. It'll go to a new high and hit the target. Okay, let's look at the Dow now. Did it do a big, choppy, sloppy, slop chop. Oh, they want to go down with it. Look at them taking her down. Alrighty then. So we have a double bottom right here. That's the trade. Right here. Forget about all those in there. I don't want to erase them all. But here's the trade. Double bottom right off this line. That probably means nothing. So you would have got long in here. Hold on. Right in here. Once we seen the cross up and my other filter. You would have got long there. The stop would have been there. 37 points. And it went up 60. You got your 1-to-1. So then up here we discount this wick and we draw a line like that, double top kind of deal. See that? And I think that's divergent. Yeah, it is right there. It's right there. See, it's going down, it's going across. That's divergence to sell. We put the arrow in right here on the opening of this candle. Right here, you would have sold it. It would have went down for you a little bit at first, came back up, and they did their scarce. Oh, hold on. Usually, I would put the stop right freaking there. Right freaking there, and guess what they did? They come and they said, tag, you're it. Shit. Bastards. Well, the safer place to put your stop would have been up here, but I usually put it right here at the closest, nearest swing high in a down trade, in a sell trade, and the stop to go long right here. Oh, shit. I took it from here because who knows what would have happened. I had to step out there for a second, get a cough drop. When I sleep, I try to breathe through my mouth, because if I breathe through my nose, sometimes I stop breathing. So my throat gets dry when I'm breathing in and out of my mouth. So I had to go get a cough drop. And I'm not saying, because I couldn't talk anymore. And I'm not saying that to get you to feel sorry for me. I took the shot. This is what's happened to me. Anyway, so this here, we would have got stopped out. If you would have put the stop there, they would have come and just got your stop. So we won't count that. We'll count that trade as a loser. So if you got in short here, you lost 30 points. But you made 30 over here, so it would have been break even. Let's move on now to the S and the P. Oh, look at that. Hey, wick. Wick sticks. Double top right now. I don't see that same trade here. This looks to go deeper. Yeah, it does. It is. See right in here? There's no trade there to buy for it to go up. But there is a trade here. There's the trade. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. See, sometimes it takes me a bit of time to see the trade, right? Because I'm shooting the video in the future. But if I was here and I was trading, okay, believe me, I would know all about this trade right here, to buy in here, all the way from back here. Okay, so that's what my course teaches you. How to recognize divergence in advance, not after the fact. Even though this is after the fact that I'm showing you. Okay? Right there. So you would have got long there. Your stop would be here at the closest swing low, which is 40, no, it's 4 point, this is the S&P. 4-point stop. So far, we only have gone 3 points. So, see if that works out. It might not, because it's a double top, and look, they're selling it hard. They're probably going to sell it right back down. This is a trade where I would move my stop now right here to break even, because of the double top. Okay, let's look at oil. Oil shot right up there. Woo, look at that divergence, man. Look at it. It's beautiful. Boom. Well, yeah, that's divergence. And we would have got long. Oh, that cough drop is a miracle. It's taken the rawness out of my throat. I feel so much better. I can talk good now. Okay. So we would have got long right here. Our stop would have been right here at the closest swing low. 42 tickers on oil. And how much did we go up? 100. See, we put in, I knew from down here, okay, it's going up, it's going up. What am I looking for when it's going up? Well, I'm looking for it to put in a high, then a retracement, and a double top, or a higher high, okay, up here, and then I'd be looking to sell it. But this is the 5 minute, okay? Now, the 15 minute still says up. So if you're using my indicator, you wouldn't be selling it here, okay? But if you just think, oh, it's a counter trend trade and it's going to go back down, then you'd be selling it somewhere in here. Okay, which is this trade. Let me show you. High and a higher high. And a high and a lower high on the OSMA. See that? Right there. Oh, this one's over here. Close enough. Same shit. Anyway, you got two great trades there. Okay, let's look at gold now. Oh, that's an ugly, fugly chart. Oh my goodness. That's not good. There was news with the, there's a trade here. Probably would have stopped you out. No, you would have been short right here before the news. That's why you can't do trades before the news, man. There's a big news event, you just don't trade. You wait for it to pass, and look what it did. This one candle in 5 minutes has an 86-point range. You would have got fooked in here. Fooked good. Don't trade before the news. Me, like, if I'm trading, I go and look at the news. They go, oh, there's that red thing here. Let me try and show ya. Oh, hold on, let me pause it. Okay, we're on Forex Factory now. You see, today, Thursday, core PPI is red. Red means hot, hot, ta-ta, don't touch, ta-ta, hot, very hot. Don't freaking touch it. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock is red. Don't freaking trade before 10 o'clock. Wait for the news to pass. Wait 5, 10, 15 minutes after the news. Then you look for your setup, okay? Okay, let me pause it again, or I can just click here. Okay, so as you can see, it's a freaking mess here. If you would have sold it right here, they would have come and got your stop right up here. If you would have traded that. Look at this. Freaking channel or what, or a wedge, or a descending wedge, or a flying wedge, or a, I don't know, some damn wedge or something. It's probably going to go higher by the wedge, but who knows? I don't trade wedges, but I do see them once in a while. Okay, let's look at the pound yen now, okay? Oh, see, look at the news. Oh, I thought it was on the 15-minute there for a second. It's not, it's the 5. Okay, there's a trade here, but it would have been difficult to do it. It's like a double high. Okay, and it's one of these suckers where you paint it down like that. You would have entered right there. Short right there on the opening of that candle. Your stop would have been around 27 pips. Did we get it? Oh yeah, we got it. Got it right there. Okay. And that's it. There was just that one trade. Well, no, there's another trade. But who is going to jump in with the news? See? It's right here. Okay, I'll paint it on for you. What the hell? Right here. Low and lower low. I used to find these to be so difficult to find, like drawing it off of a news spike. I could never find them till afterwards. I would go, oh shit, there's a trade I missed. And that was about 10 years ago. Now, oh, I see them so easily. And you would too if you stared at your charts for staring at the exact same strategy for over 10 years. But what I also add with it is support and resistance, trend lines sometimes. Yeah. And of course I have my pivots, right? The main pivot and my whole numbers. And by the way, and my time to trade, that's why it's black here and light brown or whatever here. Because this is 8 o'clock, this is 12 o'clock lunchtime. Just wanna mention to you that if you do decide to take me up on my offer and you know, give my course a try, hey, you get all these indicators with it, okay? And that's it. Let's look at the euro yen. Same shit. Same shit. You didn't want to trade this news spike. You didn't want to jump in here somewhere. And there's no double top up here. And there is a trade here, low and lower low, right? I'll show you. I'll put it on there. Just like that. Let's get through the video so people can get on with their day. Quit piacking, Jason. Talking too much. Anyway, so you would have got long in here, and it's fizzling out on you. It's the euro yen. Went up 12 pips. It's going like it's in a sidewinder. Damn shit. Hey, I hate these sidewinders. Oh, I hate them. I like trends like this and like this. Here's another sidewinder right in here. Damn bullshit. I think the algos are running. That's what I think. Robots. Robots are trading this shit. They're buying at the bottom of the channel and selling at the top of the channel. Buying at the bottom, selling at the top. Buying at the bottom, selling at the top. Buying at the bottom, selling at the top. Schmucks. All right, here's another sidewinder. There's no divergence here. Well, okay. Let's take it from here, okay? There is a trade. There is a trade, ladies and gentlemen. You would have bought right in there when it crossed up. Stop would have been 22 pips, and it went up 44 pips. There's your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Here's another trade right here. Hard to see divergence. Oh, I think it would have went in here somewhere. Yeah. And this sucker right here to up here. And you would have got long right in here. Stop would have been 23 pips. And up 40. No, I'm looking at the wrong one. I already did that one. Jason, wake up, you stupid. Here we go. Right here. Right here. You would have got long right here. Stop right here. Only 13 pip stop. And it went up. It missed the target now by 2 pips. And that's the pound dollar. Pretty boring today, the pound dollar. Want to take a longer look at the pound dollar? Let's look. Weekly. Ah, it's all full of schmuck. Which template is that? I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. There we go. Look at this, man. This is the weekly. And we had a double top here to sell, but it didn't go very far. But look, if you would have bought this dip in here. Look at it. I think we're going back up to the high of last year. $1.37. Let's look at the monthly. Maybe we're going to go higher. Maybe we're going to come back up to up to here. $1.42 the pound. Oh yeah. See how they just do this. They do this shit over and over again, and it drives you crazy. Look at this. They brought it up exactly to here. Why did they sell it all the way down? Because there was resistance here. They buy off of support, okay? Right here. They buy off of support and they sell off of resistance. That is the key to support and resistance traders. All right. And that is it for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And good luck and good trading. We'll see you on Friday.